Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code 272 in Roblox. Usually this error happens when the game thinks you are running exploit software, cheats or injected programs. Roblox has security check, and if it detects suspicious memory edits, injected DLLs or third-party software, it kick you with this code. So now we're gonna troubleshoot the game. If you are using a Roblox in web, you need to remove the extension which is supporting for Roblox. So for that you need to enter into the puzzle type icon which is located on the top right corner. Just press it and enter into the manage extension. On that you may see the supporting extension for Roblox. Just remove it. Yeah, we are using like Robro for a Roblox extension. I'm gonna remove that. Yeah, after removed your extension, please check the Roblox. And also if you are using any Roblox software, in the sense you need to remove the third-party application which like cheat engine or auto clickers or macro tools or overlays. Also disable suspicious Chrome extension before launching the game. Those are the things which cause the error. So once you're done, please restart your system and check whether the issue is solved or not. I hope the issue will be solved. And our next step, second step, is to run the program as an administrator. So just open the Roblox application, open to the location and right click and enter into the properties. On that please click compatibility and make it as run as admin program as an administrator and apply and OK. Yeah, once you're done, yeah, we are moving to the third step. The third step is to enter into the settings. We are going to restart, or we are going to troubleshoot the network. Sometimes the network may cause, so that's why I was doing this step. So enter into the system and following troubleshoot and other troubleshoot, and here you may see the network and internet. Please run it, and you may, if you had any issues, it will shows like you had those issues, and if doesn't have any issues, it shows like you did not have any connection issues. And also if it happens, please plug in and plug out the network adapter what you are using, and sometimes this may help you to fix the issue. If the issue is not solved once you done all the steps, in the sense you need to uninstall and reinstall the application once, and this may help. This is the final solution for this issue, and I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.